Sleepy.
Me too.
Yeah, we planning on leaving and moving to the Philippines.
Yeah, we're running away. We're never coming back.
I'm gonna go get me like 3 Asian girls.
Okay, I guess I'm looking for a replacement owner.
Alright, we're gonna end this video. But no, we're thinking about leaving. The only thing that's holding us back is the dogs.
Yeah, but I
want to go to Vietnam though.
Yeah, I'm down for either Vietnam or the Philippines. I like the people in the Philippines better though, but Vietnam looks cool in the mug.
Yeah, if y'all ain't got a passport, y'all tripping. These American females suck, and the price of living suck. It's like, bro, if you single, you don't got no kids, or if you do got kids, pack up and leave, bro. It's not worth it. Working hard as hell to be able to get all of this materialistic just to be enslaved and imprisoned in your own fake success that you think is success. This shit is a scam, bro.
Big time.
Yeah.
It's like even people look at the people that are at the top or almost at the top, and it's like, dang, I wish I could have that life. But if only you really knew, like, to be at the top, you get everything is like 10 times more. Like, you might make more money, but guess what? Everything else costs more. In America, there is no winning.
Yeah. I mean, you might think you winning because you're like, oh, I can go buy whatever I want. Bro, you are enslaving you. You're making yourself become a slave. You're imprisoning yourself.
Even if you're an entrepreneur. Bam.
The less you have right now, you might be watching this and you don't have nothing. You more richer than you think you are. Freedom isn't rich, being rich. Being free, bro, because you can make any decision. You don't have all these responsibilities, all this weight holding you down. Bro, pack your go explore the world, bro. Don't look at everybody else's life trying to get all the luxury. Get a backpack, a few shirts, and go live your life.
It's crazy because it's like the people that choose to be homeless or like here in Vegas live in the tunnels and stuff, and they're doing it by choice, not because they want that, they don't have no option. But the ones that choose it, they really have the ultimate freedom. Not that I'm trying to be homeless or anything like that, but they can go wherever they want, whenever they want. They don't have to worry about bills. Their car's not gonna get repossessed.
And y'all got a job, y'all got a house, y'all got a car, y'all got all the stuff. And you still can't go on vacation whenever you want. You still can't just leave and do whatever you want to do because you got to be at work at a certain time. You have to pay all these bills at a certain time. Who is really more successful or free?
And you want to make more money because you think it's going to make you more free, but then you make more money and it's just more bills. It's like, oh, you want to be free? Okay, yeah, I want a nicer house. Bam, more bills.
Yeah.
It's like, can you really be free in the land of the free?
The land of the scam.
That's all it is.
Yeah. If y'all on y'all trajectory, what's the word? Oh, we both
God.
If you're on your way up right now, drop a comment and correct me on that word. I can't think of it right now. It's late. If y'all on your way up, don't get sucked into the trap of feeling like you have to buy all of this crazy shit to feel like you accomplish something. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. Sometimes you have to experience it to get out your system. But I'm telling you, you're not missing nothing, bro. Pay attention to successful people and what always end up happening. You see these successful people get the big houses, the big cars, and then after they had their success for a long period of time, what do they all end up doing? Going on the other side of the world in the fucking jungle, taking pictures with monkeys and shit because they're trying to find happiness. That's why they say, oh, money don't make you happy. Money helps you become free. But money as a whole is not going to hold you at night. Money is not going to make you feel fulfilled. It's going to create freedom for you. And that thing is what's going to decide if you feel good about yourself or whatever, because now I had the freedom to leave and travel the world. But you got two options. You can pick the materialistic shit that keep you trapped in the rat race, or travel the world and find happiness from life in itself. You know, you don't have to travel the world to do that, but I'm saying,
just find freedom.
yeah, find freedom, not
Yeah.
items. But yeah, just some food for thought
Pillow talk with the ambitious.
before we go to sleep. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good night.
Be ambitious.
Checking out our next video. We're gonna be in Philippines or Vietnam.
You might be sleeping. That might be a dream.
Well, it's gonna be a dream.
It's
so
gonna be a dream. You guys
my
won't
dream.
see it, but it will happen. Watch. Mark our words.
My AI video of me in fucking another country. All right, y'all. We out.
Bye.